Third, are you out there?
They're supposed to be coming.
And we're looking for Ntxhais Hmoob. If you are, can you go in the back, please?
They're coming.
We would appreciate that.
Thanks for screaming. Are you guys cold out there? No?
They're like next. And so they're just like barely left.
Do you guys like it so far?
Someone say no.
Who's that?
Anyways, we're kind of short on performance.
There's been technical difficulties.
They're supposed to be coming. I'm killing. What about Amen? Where's Amen? Talk to the audience. Hello? Where's Amen?
You guys ready? We're doing,
Hello?
I'm gonna do another raffle. The gift is, it's gonna be at my store. Maybe I'm gonna give you guys a discount.
Where is Amen?
It's
You're not talking to me.
okay. It's, I get discount off of Foot Locker and Foot Action and Champs, so the lucky winner will be, well, I'll give you guys a discount.
What?
Oh, I work at Foot Action, but I get discount Foot Locker and Champs. So you guys ready?
Let's go.
I'm serious. So okay, one winner, I'll give them a discount on just one shoe or one product. And you guys have to talk to me about it for more information. The lucky winner is, the number is 127270. 127270.
图number 有1 2 3 2 Son.
Who's the winner?
Cái kỳ hơi mỗi cái cô gò sổ ngon quá rồi. Lại hỏi với gò lùi bên mong share. Who's the winner?
Anyone winner?
Anyways, we'll move on. This is the group Ntxhais Hmoob. They will be ending our show for tonight. Please give them a round of applause. Actually, we're not done yet.
We have one more. Oh, he's a solo singer. His name is Eamon Hurt. He's very good.
Hi everybody. Sorry I'm late. I hope you guys know this song. This song was the last week. The title is called Yeshe Chotaki. Có hẹn và đã có chi phố lý giờ nhà có giờ bùa có để chỉ cô trái cha con du cứ tôi xa xa lưu có hẹn có thể đi lon chỉ cô và cho cô lúc
내분이야.
This is to our performer. I think he has left his sweater in the back. So whoever sweater says, can you guys come get it?
For all the performers. Well, that was our last performance. We would like to give our special thanks to our sponsor, to Golden Bowl, Asia Supermarket,
Wa Chain, Wa Ying Cha, Honda North,
Hmong TV Network,
Nestor Serta, Arch Roosevelt High School Leadership,
and the Roosevelt High School Administration.
Roosevelt High School staff.
Well, that's all for our HMPX 2014. Hope you guys enjoy it.
There's not a lot.